Geoff likes to call his session. What's happening technically? What can we look at the technical picture? How important is the technical picture? Geoff, are you with us?
G'day, PB. Yeah, I am indeed with you and keen to get into the market next week because I think there's some possibilities that we can make some headway with. I'm not going to go into all of the ranging pairs because there are quite a few of them, in particular the Aussies, the euros as well, pounds. There's a lot of currency pairs ranging, and of course that's good news for me. I like to see that. But rather, I start my week before I look at those ranging pairs with this scenario where I'm looking for reversal bars and reversal bars that actually mean something. You can see this week on Euro Swissy, or last week rather, that we had a false break of that little range. There's not on a weekly, but on a daily basis. And of course, that's what we look for all the time, false breaks on box ranges. And that's what we got with Euro Swissy. Difficult to enter this until this bar and this bar turned up. So we actually did that. And we're in the short already on this. I like the prospects of this one going probably down to this level here. So this week, I'm still keen to stay with that particular bar that we were produced or was produced for us. And I think this level here is quite attractive to us. So I'm sticking with Euro Swissy. If you're not in it already, then probably you're looking for a break of that little daily range that I saw there, and maybe even a retest or even a break and a higher low. Anything like that, I think, is a selling opportunity on Euro Swissy. Very, very different chart on Euro Yen, but we spoke about Euro Yen last week, and I think we've been speaking about it for the last 3 or 4 weeks. And the reason I've been speaking about it is because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 now months in a row of bullish activity. All those bars are buying bars, and I don't think on any of the charts that you guys have got, maybe, no, I don't think you would actually. I really don't think you'll find a month in those last 7 where Euro Yen has in fact had any form of pullback on a monthly chart. I also don't think you'll find, and I don't care how far you go back, well, certainly on my charts, if you go back further than I can, then maybe you can find a sequence of bullish momentum such as we have seen on Euro Yen. 7 months in a row, to my mind, is unprecedented on my charts. Haven't seen it before. For that reason, I think that we're going to have a little bit of a respite in this big rally. The problem I've got is technically we've broken above this resistance. I'll call it a trade line because technically it's not a trend line. I also see, a big double bottom sitting here, and ultimately I think we're going longer here on Euro Yen. But 7 months, I've got to be looking to the downside. So finding that entry is going to be very, very tricky, but that will be my quest for the week. And we do have a nice little bearish engulfing bar there. We've broken through last week's weekly pivot. I think a nice little lower high in here might suit us. And if we do find that, I think I'll be willing to trade Euro Yen short. Of course, it is counter trend, most definitely, and counter momentum. But that, I think, would be an interesting position to take Euro Yen short. Not sure how much we'll get out of it, to be honest, but it is due a big retracement, as I've said. I'm sticking with the Swissy and the Yen as pairs to trade for or against. And the next one I'm looking at is Kiwi Swissy. That's the monthly chart. Where you can see we have started to rally here. We've broken a key level and we've come back and now retesting that key level, in my humble opinion. That's the monthly chart. The weekly chart has delivered to me a bullish reversal bar. Now that low is lower than the low of this candle, so it therefore qualifies as a key reversal bar for me. And then we've been delivered on the back of that an inside bar. That's a combination that I do like to trade. It's very, very difficult for me not to actually take that position. However, when I point out where the monthly pivot is, it becomes a little bit easier not to take it. I'm not going to say don't take that trade because of that level, because I will be taking that trade provided we don't get a massive gap in the market tomorrow. That will determine whether I will actually place this trade or otherwise. But I will be looking to place a trade above that bar, and I'll put my stop loss below it. I'm not even going to bother to put it below the swing, because if I'm wrong here, I'm probably going to be wrong there as well, and the market will continue to fall. But that will be my key for tomorrow. Kiwi Swissy long above that bar on a weekly chart. There may well be a far better opportunity to get into that if you're so inclined in daily chart, 4-hourly chart. I certainly won't be looking for the 4-hourly chart tomorrow. I don't think we've got to get above this level, maybe up to the monthly pivot and then give us a higher low. I think that would be a reasonable position to take. Now, Kiwi Yen is amazing because of that 7 weeks or 7 months in a row. And I find it very, very difficult to trade long against that. But I think my bias has to be long, but I just can't trade it. I can't trade it with that sort of statistic, if you like, the 7 months in a row going against me. I just can't get interested in trading this long at the moment. But I have got exactly the same thing here. I've got a key reversal bar and an inside bar. I'm going to ignore that one. You can see the difference in the charts. This one on the back of a retracement, this one right at the top of the market. I'm not interested in that one, although I'm sure that it can do it in terms of technical, and that's why we're here. That's what we're talking about. But I can't see how my mindset can say 7 months in a row is going to continue, and therefore I can't go long at that point. Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD, we've been very, very fortunate to get a good run out of Aussie CAD back to this level, and we trailed our stops pretty tightly as we saw this level approaching, and we are now out of that position. Now, I see this as a buying potential, and I also have been delivered here, once again, a reversal bar at, in my opinion, a key level. Now, to trade that absolutely now is probably a little bit of a gamble, because really we've only had 2 phases of selling. So this could well go short again. I'm tipping it won't, but that's not trading it, that's tipping it. I'd like to see a bit of a rally and a pullback to give us a higher low before I actually did get into that long. Big bullish engulfing bar there on Friday. Tomorrow, if we pull back, or tomorrow, Tuesday, even Wednesday, if we pull back to this level here and retest it, I think that would be an awesome place to get long Aussie CAD. Now, we've spoken at length about the CAD on the show today, and I would be absolutely tickled pink if Ash's analysis was correct. But I'd also like to see this come back to give us an entry point, maybe down there around about the 93 mark. So the 93 handle would be very, very interesting to me. I will be looking to trade Aussie CAD long, and it could go quite a distance, maybe back to the top of that range. We shall see. That looks incredibly interesting. Sure, Ash has had a look at this as well, and he'd get quite excited by what he sees there, the inverted head and shoulders. So for this week, that is my 2 cents worth.
Cheers, Geoff. Thank you very much for your 2 cents worth. Mate, some fascinating stuff going on in the market. I'm finding it for trend trading a bit tough, but you bring some charts up, they look super clear to me. Easy
yeah,
to
look, I'm enjoying it, mate. Everything's going okay.
Mate, it's been going okay for you for a long, 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 long time. Mate, thank you very much for that. Now, we are going to do a giveaway today. We're going to do a special giveaway today. We're going to give away the first seat on a new program we're running. It'll be run on the 27th of June. It's a program on high reward, low risk automated execution. And we're going to have the CEO of one of the licensed funds in Australia come in and take us through it. He's a guy that specializes in automated trading. He's done it professionally he's had his own $60 million fund for a period of time. Now works for an organization out of Australia. We'll be introducing him to our people more in the next couple of weeks. but we're just finding out with him. Look, he's got a bit of a good reputation fundamentalist who works with him. We're just checking whether he can come and help in this program or not. The program will become run over a couple of half days. The first half day will be in the morning of the 27th of June. It is high reward, low risk automated execution. So how to make a good reward, how to have an idea and not have a robot trade for you. Just have a robot execute your idea for you. So it's not robot strategy. It's just, this is what I want to trade. This is how I want to trade it. Set it up, let it trade it. And these guys are absolutely minting it at this at the moment. Really great stuff. So we're going to run a course for that on the 27th. I can't even confirm to you what the price is going to be. It is that new. And we're going to have our lucky draw winner today. They are going to win the first seat on that. Now, if you've asked a question, you get to go in the draw twice. If you're on YouTube or Facebook and you want to go in the draw, just write your name into the comments now and I'll hurriedly add you in. I'll talk for another 30 seconds so you can do that. So if you are on Facebook and you do or YouTube and you want to go in the draw, click in here. If you've asked a question, you get two cracks at the draw, and we're going to give away a very special prize. Look, guys, it's an amazing time for more opportunity comes across my desk at the moment than I've ever seen. Really incredible. And I think some of this automated stuff, and not trading robots exactly, but there's some new ideas coming through, and it is looking extremely good. And I'm very much looking forward to having the guys come in and share this with you guys in a couple of weeks. So I would suggest jumping on to winning this is well worth the winning. I've got one new message. I'm asking a question. How's your day, Paul? Simon, me too. How you look? I'm good, thanks. My day's been brilliant, Simon. You know, what more do you want apart from 3 and 4 year olds, 2, 3 and 4 year olds running around a massive playground and eating junk food all day? It's been brilliant fun, and my voice is gone, nearly gone. You know. Cheers, guys. I'm not sure you're getting extra entries for that. Mai, you ready to go? Ready, let's do it, Mai. Let's have a winner, right? Who's going to win this first time up? High reward, low risk, automated execution. Here it is, the Wheel of Fortune. Here we go. I have not had someone type in the box, Crystal win. So Crystal cannot be here for this. Who is going to win it today? Who is going to win it today? There we go. Jason, if you're still in the room, can you write your name down and we will get Mike to organise you the first seat to that. If you're not still in the room, Jason, we are going to do. We did a redraw the other day, didn't we? It was great fun. Oh. Jason, are you in the room? Jason, you've got 10 seconds to tell me you're here. I'm going to do a redraw for this. Look, guys, I don't have a reply. Oh, I don't have a reply from Jason. So we're going to spin the Wheel of Fortune again. Mai, let's do it. Oh, hold on, what's that? Mai, let's go, because I'm supposed to be in another meeting right now. If anyone's heading to that meeting, can you tell them that I'm on my way? Let's do it again. Let's see if we can find another one. Lots of good chances in there. Who's going to win it? Will it be Swee? Will it be Lionel? Will it be Jura? Jura would be good for you to win 1A. You deserve 1A. New dad. How good is that, mate? Let's see if we can get Dominic. I think Dominic's in here. Dominic, are you in the room? Yeah, man. Super cool, buddy. Well done. Congratulations. I'll pass the details on to James, and James will be in touch Monday or Tuesday with your stuff. Well done, guys. Hey, thanks for joining us today. Hope you got out. At the end of the day, prizes are good fun, and this stuff's all good fun. But what I'm really hoping is you've got 1 or 2 really good ideas and direction for this week. Maybe one really good trade to add to your week, and you've got that. It's been time well spent. Take care, guys. See you later. Have a good week. Remember, stay calm, make good decisions. So it all works out. See you.